We came to Calibration last year to look at some new technologies. We've since then implemented these technologies and we're looking for, I suppose, some new technologies that you've got to offer this year.
Our colleagues in the other nuclear sites around the United Kingdom already use Beamex. They have told us they're very happy with the product. This calibration day came up, so we have come along to gain some awareness, get some insight and understanding.
We've got a Beamex MC2, which is a wee bit older, so we've been speaking to Beamex about getting an MC6, so that's something that we're going to try out today basically.
I'm here just to learn a little bit more about calibration and get some practical examples too. Yeah, so far it's been a good experience. It's been good to kind of meet some new people from different backgrounds and also just to get a bit of a better awareness of what Beamex do as well.
We've been with Beamex now for our calibration services for a few years, but we're not fully utilising what Beamex can provide for us. So another thing is to have them conversations, see what's available and how else we can further progress using Beamex.
I started a graduate apprenticeship in the metering department, so I'm just trying to build on knowledge in that area. It's been interesting.
The Calibration is great for obviously learning about new technologies that Beamex have to offer, but it's also really good for networking as well. You get to meet loads of different people, you see different sides of the industry that you're not really aware of.
I always recommend Calibration. If you've never been before, the information that you get about everything that's going on in the background and the future technologies and that, so it's an ideal day for people to come and visit.